Boozhoo niman wenda mamapi ajayeg Miss J and Dejinikaz. I am the social emotional support teacher here at the ECC under the launch grant. This week is week 6 of our second step social emotional curriculum. And so in week 6 we are teaching children to ask for what they need or want. It's really important that children learn how to ask what they need and want. It's part of their learning. And so one of the things you can do at home is you start and you say, shabu, please pass me the milk. And then your child learns to pass. And then when they want something, they learn to ask you if they want, please pass the bread, please pass the carrots, whatever you have on your table. They're learning, because we do a lot of that at school, family style, especially on the Head Start side, but early Head Start too. They need to learn to ask what they want, if they want more of something. And so this is the letter you'll be getting sent home. And this little girl's name is Gloria, and the kids will learn about this card at school. And you could do this at home. You could say, what do you see in this photo? Who can Gloria ask for help? Because she needs help zipping her jacket. And so who could she ask? Because you're not at school, so she has to ask a teacher. So you can say, ask one of your teachers to help you zip up your jacket. And then, then how should she ask? In a respectful voice, please help me zip up my jacket. And this is something that you could practice at home, whether it's getting their shoes on, getting their jacket zipped, getting their pajamas on at bed, to be able to ask for help in that respectful voice. One of our 7 teachings, respect. So I hope this has been helpful. We're going to have a great week. So if you have any questions, please call me at the center, 715-779-5030, extension 2548. Or email me. And miigwich bizindawieg gigawabamen.